Hello guys, this is Mariah, and this is a tutorial on how to clean your shoes. Okay, so I already cleaned them up a little bit because yesterday I was playing football with my friends and I got my shoes dirty. My cousin helped me. So this is what they look like.
Well, you have money in the budget to do those things.
It has all of the components that we want, but I'm just not 100% sure that the style is quite as modern as I was hoping to see.
So Chandra's found something.
And the other one's the same.
So, yeah, this opens. Oh, hey, this is benefit a king for sure.
So the king doesn't fall out.
And I took out the laces. If you could see that, I took out the laces. I took out the laces because they were a little dirty too, so I'm soaking the laces in this cup of water and soap and water. And the thing I used to clean my shoes was a toothbrush, a dirty toothbrush that you never use. And if you want to see my laces, here they are. Here's one with a lace. They're black. There's one lace. They're the same. Okay, so the water's getting a little dirty. That means the dirt and stuff is coming out of the laces. So I just did this video because I'm about to do another round of washing my shoes. Okay, so here I have a towel so the carpet won't get wet. Okay, putting the shoe on the towel. Okay. I don't know. Hold on, let me try and fix the camera. That was perfect.
It's not your standard family situation. Just me and my 4 daughters. Dancing and pageants that go on our kitchens and living rooms and things like that. I've had to learn to accept certain things, like the fact that my toenails and fingernails are going to be painted constantly. But it's really awesome to watch them at their own. They're great kids, all of them.
Whatever home means to you, we'll help you find it. Zillow.
Monday nights on HGTV just got a tiny bit better.
That's what sets us apart from everybody else.
Tiny houses are the big new craze.
We would rather spend our money on experiences and going places than putting all
Hold
our
on,
money
guys.
Today,
Okay, I'm back.
showing them a place that
I was just trying to fix the camera.
Seems a little top-heavy here.
Okay.
Seems a little bit,
It does seem a little top-heavy. It is smaller than yesterday's. It's 204 square feet. Okay, that's really small.
Alright.
But you're going to be pleasantly surprised. It packs a punch.
And if you think this takes a little too long, you could go to Foot Locker and you could get some cleaning supplies because at Foot Locker they sell some cleaning supplies. So you could get that.
Wow, this is beautiful.
look at the chandelier. Very interesting.
Reclaimed from an old house. We have reclaimed cedar, and then these floors. This was taken out of another house, and it was in a fire, so some of the black is actually burned. Oh, are you serious? Yeah.
I like the back over here.
Yeah.
Oh, and I forgot. Right here,
It is
the paint's kind of coming off. So what me and my cousin did, we took a black Sharpie marker, and we colored that back over again so it could look the same.
This would all be sheetrock.
So that's what we did.
It would be white walls. Yeah, like you were. I was actually thinking that up here would be a really good office space for you.
Okay, drawing them.
Tight.
What do you think about, could it be an office? Yeah.
No. This would definitely be storage.
We could make it work.
The traditional loft to me is a storage unit, period. Interesting
Oh.
heater.
One
Actually,
little
off of the
spot.
ship.
Can't
I read
leave
lots
that
of
little
things.
speck.
They're really economical. They last forever, and it can heat the whole place up.
The copper backsplash is really
I
cool.
might
and the
post
exposed
this
pipe
on
gives it kind of
YouTube.
a steampunk
Maybe.
aesthetic,
I'll see.
which is fun.
I'm gonna look
However,
at the
that
video
is an
after
upgrade.
and see if it's good enough for me to
Not
post
the
it.
stone, not the granite that I want, but it is quite beautiful.
Okay.
And then we go into the bathroom. The copper backsplash is pretty
Is
cool.
it now
very
again?
cool. And this is, I love this sink.
I actually don't like the copper siding at all. I feel like I'm in a 70s casino
The
elevator.
bottom, I'm gonna
The
get a
big model
toothpick
wooden
and pick
outfit
that
would
dirt
just
out.
be the sheetrock.
Sold.
Access to the loft bedroom is up a narrow flight of
Do
stairs.
it up close.
Yeah, this is definitely a lunge. Getting inside of the master
All right,
bedroom is
time for the
something
next
that
shoe.
I can do, given that I'm into fitness and that I can contort myself.
Oh, how cool. So, yeah, this opens.
One time,
Yeah,
I
so
was
this
trying
is
to
a
clean my
benefit
shoes,
thing for sure, this is how
and
you get it up there.
I did something really bad. Really bad.
Down towards this more
I
solid, it'd feel a lot more cramped.
Well, that's definitely where your
dried
feet
my
go.
shoes with toilet paper and white stuff from the toilet paper.
I love the two locks.
Got on
The
my
unique
shoe.
features are so cool that I
And
think we
that
should
was
spring
so bad.
Definitely more inclined towards the base model with the drywall.
It's cramped. I mean, it's
Really bad
half the
for
square
me.
footage anyway.
So now Chandra's lined up a bigger tiny home. Maybe too big.
This is a monstrosity.
Probably a little funny to you, but I care. I care about my shoes.
Raleigh, North Carolina. We're talking serious science. Plus, it comes with a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. $100,000 on Quicken Loans.
So yeah, I'm drying it off.
Mercedes-Benz, Quicken Loans, Bush's Grill and Bean, and B sponsor.
Need to clean the top part of it,
2016.
because that's where all the dirt goes.
Smart. PetSmart has all you need to feed their cravings. Well, at least the four-legged one. Introducing new Nutro Wild Frontier dog food. High-quality protein, grain-free recipes fuel the fun. At PetSmart, buy one.
I don't know if I should have sat in the chair or something, and I might do another tutorial of cleaning my other shoes I got for my birthday. You probably will see them, like if you go to footlocker.com and you go to images of the Jordan shoes, you might see it.